Welcome back. Now, inside of Google, if you want to get AI empowered search, you'll need to make sure that your search overviews are turned on here in the experiment area. And as of the recording of this video, this is an experiment. However, if you go to traditional search, you are typically going to see a traditional search experience. One of the things that you'll want to note about AI overviews is that they only appear when Google Systems determines that a generated result is going to be helpful. So in other words, this is not something that you can trigger just by your search and going to traditional Google search. And so typically you will get more than 10 results on a page with this kind of search. However, those search results will not be AI empowered. As with the recording of this video, there is another site that is part of the Google experience that is between traditional Google search and the AI chatbot. And we will look at that platform in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.